So guys, now I show you how to use this templates, right? First step, we go to income. Now we have to put your details. Create new one. Click open. 25. Oh yeah, 25. Yes. 10. Type active income. Month April. Or you can create new one. Delete it. 2025, right? Create with text. I will say 35, right? Choose a fine if you have it. Okay, now it's finished, right? Then we go to Expanse tracker, right? Click here, and I want to do for match, right? Click it. Okay. I will say match 12 franc. Okay. Food priority low. This you can create a new one and create, right? So easy. Match bank account. This one time you have to put one time for per month, right? Cash, if you have cash, you can put it, but I have no cash. It's okay. Now it's finished, right? And second, and 10. Spend 50. Match is only for one time per month, like this. Okay, only one. Income for April. Okay, today amount 12 franc. April. Bank account. Okay, cash, no cash. Okay, do a group for month. Go to this one and group and select text, right? Now do you see it? April is on the top, right? Is put it down like this. Better. Okay, look better. And then second, April, yeah, food low, finish, right?